Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel with Priyanka series 15. In this series, we will be continuing with few dates questions and then we will be moved to the time serial number. So in this, we will see the date has been given and we want to extract the year from the serial number date. So for this, we will start with equal to sign and the function we will be using it year. So no need to remember as the function itself is a year. We'll click it, serial number. The serial number will be the date from where we have to extract the year. Close the bracket, control enter and see the magic. The year has been extracted. Similarly, for the month, we will be using a different function that is month. We'll write it month. So these functions is easier because no need to remember as the year contains the year function and the month contains the month function. Close the bracket, control enter. We have to extract it here, the day equal to sign, day, choose the serial number, close the bracket, control enter. Here we have to find the day name. Which day, like is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what is the day? So for this, we'll be using a different function that is text, T-E-X-T, text. Value will be the same, close the bracket, in double quote, we need to mention D as I have already explained in the date. For the date format, D denotes the date, M denotes the month and control enter and Sunday. So 17th is a Sunday. Here we have to extract here the month name. 11 is which month? Equal to sign. The function we used will be the same, that is text, double month, double quote, double quote, close the bracket, control enter and see the month is November. So we have done with our date parts and we will start with our time serial number. So in time serial number, we will see the format used by the Excel for time. So format used in the Excel will be HH colon MM colon SS. What does it mean? H denotes the hour, M denotes the minutes and S denotes seconds. And the AM and the PM. So what is this? 8, 15, 15. This is a time. 8 semicolon hours, 8 hours, 15 minutes, 15 seconds. Whether it is AM or PM, we have to mention it. Control enter and see the text is aligned towards the left. It means this is being read. The Excel is reading this as a text, not as a time. So if you want to read the Excel this as a time, we have to make a space between AM and PM. Control enter and see the magic. The tick, this is aligned now to the right. And next is, you are seeing in the formula bar, the same thing is being shown here. This is a military time where 12 plus 8 will be 20. 20 hours, 15 minutes and 15 seconds. Control enter. And if you'll see in the formula bar, it will be showing at 8 hours, 15 minutes and 15 seconds. But here in the cell, it is showing a military time. So here, 8, aim. So we can write it as well, like this as well. 8 space A, control enter. And here it is 8 AM. But if you'll see it in the formula bar, 8 hours, 0 minutes, 0 second AM. Similarly here, 5 hours, 15 minutes and 5 hours 15 minutes space PM, control enter, and see current time. So for current time, as we had a smart shortcut keyboard trick for entering the current date, similarly for the current time, we have a smart keyboard shortcut trick. And what is this trick? It is control plus shift plus semicolon will give us a current time. And next is current date and time. Current date will be denoted by control semicolon space. Time will be control shift semicolon will give the current time. And what is this actually in the cell when we enter a time value? This is a proportion of our 24 hours day. So here for entering 8 a.m. we can enter it like 8 space A, control enter, and see 8 a.m. similarly. But in the formula bar it is showing as minutes and the seconds as well. We'll try it here as well. 8A, control enter, and making this is in the date format. If you go and see it here, it is showing in a custom because it's like while if you'll go down, see date, time. Custom means if we change the way we want to change, as we have seen in the date I had explained, to custom it change according to that, like that it is showing. But if we want to change it in the general format, there is a smart shortcut key, that is control shift and toggle to change it to the general format. We'll go and check it here. It has been changed to the general form. And why it is 0.033? The reason being it is a proportion of a 24-hour day. So it is 8 hours divided by 24. That is 1/3, and that will come 0.33. So here equal to 8 divided by 24, control enter. It is showing the time format of this. If we'll change the proportion of it is showing a proportion of a 24 hours day. So next we will be seeing is like how to calculate hours between two dates when Excel divides time value by 24. So we have been given a time in start time and the end time have been given, and we have to find out the number of hours worked to give the wages to the laborers or to calculate the value. So here we'll start with, as we were doing calculating the number of days between the two dates, here we are calculating the number of hours between the two time, equal to sign. So in date as well, we were taking the end date minus the start date. Similarly, time will also follow the same thing. End time minus start time, and don't forget to multiply it by 24, control enter, and this is the hours of the time. 9 hours 25 minutes worked. So next we will be moving to the same types of question, that is we have been given start date, end date, and start time, end time, and if a break happens, lunch break or something, then again between will be the lunch time, and then there's again the start time and the end time, and in between that we have to calculate the hours worked. So the same thing will be applied here, equal to this not this. We have to subtract from bigger to a smaller. So end minus start plus end minus start close parenthesis multiplied by 24. Control enter. And this is the 8 hours. You see it here. Worked by, this is the number of hours worked. So this we will see the now the formatting, number formatting here of the time. How can we do the number formatting? Control, as you remember, control 1 is the shortcut and gives a dialog box from where we can change. So this is showing as it is showing it here. If we change it to this, okay, it is coming as hours, minutes and seconds. Control 1. Next will be we will choose to this. Same thing, no difference. Hours and the minutes. Hours, minutes, seconds, minutes and the seconds. Control enter. This is only showing the minutes and the seconds. So it is of choose hours and minutes as it is already showing, and this is a military time. So we can custom it as per our need and as per our requirement. And this is all about today's session. We have covered few question of dates, and we have seen the basics of the time serial number, where we have discussed the format of the time and calculating the difference between the two time, the number of, if you want to know the number of hours worked between the two time, then we have calculated this. We have seen the format of the time and how to change the format if needed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.